Ladies and gentlemen, Blur Stickman Freef will challenge Yellow Butter for the belt.
I already have the belt, little man.
Yes, but let's see exactly how you stole the belt.
Steal?
Yellow, you will face
I didn't
Blur
steal
Stickman
nothing.
Freef
I
this
was just
Saturday.
getting what I deserve. There's
I'm
yellow
looking
butter
forward to this
boring us
match,
to death.
Because Blurf is really...
Then boom! Stickman to the rescue. There's your champion, then. Bang! On the ground again, getting what he deserves.
That was uncalled for. There was no reason for that.
You shut your mouth, little man. And there you go, I took his belt, no problem.
Stickman destroyed the champion.
And I'm tired of you next to me. Now get! Yellow Butter! You call yourself a champion? See you in the ring.
And here comes the challenger, that horrible Blur Stickman Freef. That belt does not belong to him. It was stolen from the champion days earlier. And look how cocky he is. Thinking he's the champion. And here comes the real champion, Yellow Butter. And he's angry. Yellow Butter goes right after Stickman, and Stickman is running away like a scared coward. Oh no! Stickman caught Butter under the ropes, and he's choking him with the championship belt. There's the referee, and the match has officially started. Come on, ref. He's choking the champion. Stickman throws Butter to the ropes. And a clothesline. He goes for the cover. 2 count only, and Stickman is threatening the referee. Headbutt. Another headbutt. Cover. 1, 2. And another 2 count. Stickman is threatening the referee again. Yellow Butter has had enough. He rams Stickman's head in the corner. And again, turns him around, and a right hand to the face. Another one down goes Stickman. Butter is choking him. Picks him up. And throws him over the top rope. Stickman is hurt. He can barely stand. But wait! Look out! A high cross body over the top rope. Wait! Ball driver! Butter throws him back in the ring. Cover! 1, 2, 3! Yellow Butter wins. And he has his belt back.
The referee is asking for help. Stickman isn't moving. Here comes a stretcher. Stickman is hurt, but he learned his lesson.
Ladies and gentlemen, Yellow Butter! How are you? I don't think he wants to talk right now, but what a match that was. Oh, here he comes. How do you feel?
Thank you. I'm sorry for being rude, and I may have crossed the line with that pile driver. I hope he's okay. See you next time.
There he goes, our Origami JD champion. And I'm Gore Fleebles, signing off.